Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Okay, it's time to mount this. It's the sensor for the septic tank. And it's a neat trick. That tank is 50 centimeters high, about. The sensor I bought is 45 centimeters high, but the Gage has an alarm. That the alarm sets in at 75%, and 75% of 45 is about 35, so 15 centimeters down. That means when this is full, the tank number 2, the alarm sets in. I have about 15 centimeters left. Really good setup, because there is an alarm when it's almost full, and you know that you really have to plan to get to shore or empty the septic tank somehow. So let's drill a hole in the stainless steel tank. And yeah, I'm using a standard hole saw. This is basically the cheapest one you can get. You buy them in a kit. So let's see if this works. I couldn't find any price worthy that was for steel. So I'm just sacrificing one of the ones that I have. But when you are drilling in steel, there is one thing that's really important. That's lubrication. And yeah, you need lubrication to drill in steel. Something like that. You know, your standard engine oil, VD40 or whatever. There somewhere. Ta-da! Oh, fuck. Need to fish that out somewhere, somehow. Otherwise that's gonna clog up the pipe. And yeah, the bolt that comes with this is M5. I'm gonna replace that to M6. And since the drill for M6 is 5 millimeters, this is a perfect jig for making the drill pattern. Thread that hole. drill that first hole up to 6 millimeters. Put the screw in. Thread that hole. So now 2 is in place. That means it can't move. So now it's just to drill the rest of the 3 holes. To thread the holes. That's really good to do before you try to put the bolt in. Good as it gets. Nej. Jag ska sätta dit den här givaren, sen ger jag upp idag. Now we are gonna replace the meter. So there it is. The gasket has squished out all the way around, so hopefully it's sealed. So now we're gonna hook up the meter. So there's a meter. Red to to a positive. Yeah, so this is how the gauge for the septic tank looks. Hooked it up to one of the switches, so it's a fuse and a switch, then to the gauge. And yeah, the wiring diagram that comes with these are a bit tricky to follow. So, but it quite simply, actually, if you look on the gauge, there are 5 wires, a black one that's ground, or to the battery or earth or what you want to call it. There is a red, that's the positive for the gauge to make the system work. The yellow one is the positive for the backlight only. And then you have 2 more wires, signal in and signal out. So you want to hook up the red to the positive or to a switch like I did here. The black one to battery negative. And if you want working backlight, you hook the yellow one to the positive. And you hook on the sensor, you have 2 cables, one black and one brown. The black one also go to the same ground or battery negative as the gauge, and then the brown one to the signal output wire on the gauge. So the signal in you don't use, not in with this sensor anyway. It depends a little bit from which one you buy, but yeah. If it doesn't work, just switch to signal in. So yeah, that's that for now. So now it's just time to go home and edit a bunch of videos. And if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel. And if you want, there is a bunch of ways to support the channel. There is an Amazon wishlist. Just surprise me, send me something from that wish list. I have a PayPal account, and if you want even more video content and easier access to get in contact with me for help or advice or anything, there is a Patreon account, and all the links are down below in the video description as usual. And as usual, all the stuff I buy and are happy with, there is Amazon affiliate links down below in the video description as well. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, see you next time.